My name is Muso Sabatwe. I'm the student at the University of Scotland, the only university in the country currently. I'm doing Bachelor of Laws, otherwise known as LLB. I'm the Vice President of the SRC, which is the Student Representative Council. I'm also the Chief Executive of the National Union of Students. Basically, we formed the National Union of Students to close the gap that we identified between tertiary learning institutions. As I said, we have one university and other colleges. So we thought to speak in one common voice as tertiary students. And we said, let us stop thinking that we are better than others. Let us close that gap by making a space in the community where we relate to each other. Our motto is that we are members of the community before we are students. Before we are students, we place our issue based to the community that we come from. The poverty of our community is part of us. The social